Welcome to OLevels Economics Unit 36 International Specialisation. It occurs when countries focus on producing the goods and services they are best at making. Countries usually specialise based on their resources, including land, labour, and climate. For example, a country with fertile land and favourable weather may specialise in agriculture, while one with skilled labour but limited land may focus on services like finance. This allows countries to produce efficiently and at lower costs. Specialisation has several advantages and disadvantages for consumers. On the positive side, it increases output, giving consumers access to a wider variety of goods and services and improving living standards. It also helps firms develop expertise, leading to better quality products and often lower prices. However, there are risks. If a few countries dominate the supply of a product, they may control prices, as seen with OPEC. Consumers may also face issues if imported goods do not meet local safety standards or if supply is disrupted due to events like natural disasters. For firms, specialization allows large-scale production and economies of scale, reducing costs and improving efficiency. Firms can also benefit from international trade by accessing better raw materials and new technologies. However, they become dependent on foreign markets and may face challenges such as tariffs, changing demand, or increased competition from other countries. At the national level, specialization improves efficiency and increases real GDP by allowing countries to focus on what they produce best. For example, the United States specializes in advanced manufacturing like aircraft, while importing goods such as coffee. Specialization combined with trade allows countries to consume beyond their production possibility curve, raising living standards and potentially reducing poverty. It can also reduce unemployment by matching industries to available resources and help keep inflation low through efficient production. However, specialization also carries risks for the economy. Demand for specialized products may fall, costs may rise, or countries may struggle to adapt, leading to structural unemployment. Relying on a narrow range of products can make an economy vulnerable, and high transport costs may reduce the benefits of trade. The concept of absolute advantage suggests that a country should specialize in goods it can produce using fewer resources than others. However, most trade is based on comparative advantage, which occurs when a country can produce a good at a lower opportunity cost. Even if one country is better at producing everything, both countries can still benefit from trade by specializing in what they produce relatively more efficiently. For example, Germany may have a comparative advantage in cars, while Italy may specialize in chemicals. Comparative advantage can change over time due to improvements in technology, education, or resource availability. For instance, countries like China and Brazil have developed advantages in industries such as manufacturing and raw materials, while India has gained an advantage in services like call centers. Specialization leads to international trade, where countries export goods they produce efficiently and import those they do not. International trade occurs between countries, while internal trade takes place within a country. Both involve costs, transport, and the risk of delayed payments. International trade allows firms to access larger markets, benefit from economies of scale, and earn higher profits. However, goods may travel long distances, increasing costs, and firms may face language and cultural differences. Governments may impose tariffs, making products more expensive, and firms face stronger competition. Exchange rate changes also create risk. Thanks for watching.